Porsche Taycan, specs-wise, kind of similar to Model S, but it's a lot more expensive spec for spec. It's almost double the price on some trims or something crazy like that.
And in true Porsche fashion, you can also option it out and drop another 30, 40 grand easily.
With that said, though, I am excited. We will be testing one hopefully next year, depending on how supply chains go. But I'm most excited to see how it drives, because like you were talking about a little bit earlier, Tesla's never had that chassis tuning quite 100%, and you know that Porsche, that's what they do. They're going to get that button down, and hopefully the interior will also be worth that price point that they set, right? And I also think that Porsche is much better at the EPA range than Tesla is.
Yeah, it's going to be much more accurate.
Yeah, so even though like on paper they're not quite up there in terms of Tesla's EPA range, I think realistically it will end up being about the same because they're just more honest about it, which is an interesting concept. Volkswagen Auto Group being more honest about efficiency.
Careful. It does look good though, and again, I like that it doesn't look like an EV.
Yeah, and I can't wait for I want to see a Sport Turismo one, the wagon version of this as well.
You know, this is already really encouraging.
Yeah.
Something I've hated about Porsches for a while now is all of the buttons. There's just too much happening on that center stack on a lot of them.
And now that they've gone EV, they've just gone rid of it.
Yeah, it's very clean, although I don't see hardly any buttons in there. So they might have gone too far in that direction.